Robert Packer was the superintendent of the railroad, and he built a 55-room mansion on the highest hill, and then in 1883 he died. So then his wife went back to New York, and the house stood empty. The people in the valley needed a hospital because they used to transport patients from the railroad who got hurt, which railroading is a dangerous job, to the hospital in a wheelbarrow or to the doctor's office. Because we didn't have a hospital. So they decided they needed a hospital. And they asked Robert Packer's sister, Mary Packer Cummings, if she would donate the hospital or the building to the community for a hospital, and she said yes. As time went on, this is the mansion. They kept adding on, just like we do today. This picture was taken around 1909. Then, these are some interior pictures of the mansion. This is the study. It was very ornate, very Victorian. This is a picture of the bedroom. Very fancy wallpaper. And then eventually the mansion, oh, I should show you this one next, and the dining room. And I could tell you that the dining room has a tin ceiling. When I was a student nurse in '44, this room we called the old men's ward, and it was a patient's ward. And we called it the old men's ward, not because the patients were old, but because the room was old. And eventually the mansion became a residence for the interns, and here's their pool hall on one of the floors.